let's welcome our next group, the Three Musketeers. So, how do you get your name Three Musketeers?
Actually, because we were thinking about it, we were thinking, what name should we get? So, because we all we are from different class, the only thing we have in common is we are from the same CCA. So, we are from ELPS, English, Literary, Drama, and Building Society. So, we were thinking, what name will represent us the best? So, we were thinking, three people. What is it about three that is the most outstanding and sparkling of all of us? And the first thing we thought of is Three Musketeers. Because three people together, and it's three brains are always better than one. That's what they always say. So that is our so-called inspiration. So that we consider the Three Musketeers. So we hope that our three brains can work together and let us pass this competition.
Okay. Are you guys very nervous? Because you're speaking very fast.
That's just our usual.
Oh, just your usual.
Yeah.
So you guys are all good?
Yeah.
You want to do some reading test with me?
Okay.
Okay. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Feeling better? Ready to start? Okay, your 5 minutes begin from now.
Have you ever heard of the cliche science trick question?
If you're locked in a room with pure hydrogen, or just hydrogen gas, if someone is to light a lighter, what will happen? Is it A, you die a horrible death of combustion? Or is it B, nothing will happen? Or is it C, you don't know the answer?
Today, we have invited a renowned chemist and the greatest scientist of the whole century, the discoverer of the famous chemical X, Professor Utonium! He is here today to break this simple science trick question in a matter of a few minutes.
So now, firstly, you can see that professor here, he has several test tubes. Firstly, he will add in sulfuric acid into the test tube containing magnesium ribbon. Now, as we all know, when metal reacts with acid, what we'll get is hydrogen gas. Now, if he was to put the gas onto a delivery tube and send it over into a beaker containing soap bubbles, now bubbles will be formed containing hydrogen gas. And now if we were to put it over a fire, the bubble will just burst.
Nothing happens.
However, now let us change the experiment a bit. Now this time, let us use hydrogen peroxide added with manganese dioxide powder. Now this reaction will cause the oxygen gas to evolve, and will do the same thing to channel the gas into the soap bubble, making us a bubble containing oxygen gas, and we'll put it over the Bunsen burner.
Let's see what will happen, shall we?
It seems that there's not enough oxygen gas for us. Maybe we should breathe out a bit. No, breathe in a bit more. Good. And now you can see the professor is yes, and there comes our bubble containing the oxygen gas. The bubble containing
Let's see
oxygen
what
gas,
happens.
and put it over.
Nothing happens.
It disappeared. Now, for the question, what we are asking whether or not anything will happen in a room, just both separate gases, like hydrogen gas or oxygen gas. However, if we were to change it once again into an even more special experiment, if we were to combine both test tubes, one with hydrogen gas, one with oxygen gas, and channel both of them into the same bubble, what will happen to a bubble containing both hydrogen gas, oxygen gas, and placing it over the Bunsen burner? Let us find out. Now you can see the professor is channeling both gases into one single bubble. On the left, you can see is magnesium ribbon reacting with sulfuric acid to give us hydrogen gas, and on the right, manganese dioxide add together with. I will finish it, and yes, there's an explosion.
Yes.
But why? Why is there an explosion?
This is the result of having oxygen gas mixed with hydrogen gas, and this mix, when exposed to a fire or even just a little spark, will cause an explosion, or rather a very loud pop sound like you all have heard just now.
Yes, that alone are not flammable. Oxygen gas, hydrogen gas separately are nothing. However, like us, like our group, they are like the Three Musketeers, or actually they're the Two Musketeers. When we put them together, they will chemically combine, and the heat energy that is produced will break through the sound barrier, causing the pop sound that you just heard. And that, with the heat energy, will cause the gas to expand, and the expansion of the gas, that is when we hear the explosion.
Yeah, so, what's the moral of the story? What happens when you ask this cliche trick question?
Now, if we get trapped in a room with just pure hydrogen gas, And if someone walks in and lights a lighter, what will happen?
And of course you will die because there's no oxygen in the room. Thank you.
Thank you.